Hi, I'm Owen Wyman. I'm a senior at Stanford High School, and I'm part of the SoundWaters Research Intensive team. We go out on the boat in Stanford Harbor, and we go out in the research vessel, and we take data. Now, for my purposes, I was taking temperature data using the data sonde. The data sonde is the device that all of the students at SRI use to take their data for our projects. My project was temperature variation at 3 sites in Stanford Harbor. Basically, I have been doing a longitudinal study about temperature increase or decrease or variation for the past 3 years, and I continued this data this year. I did, however, want to add some sort of spice to my project, so I used chlorophyll data found on this device. Now, chlorophyll is the stuff that makes plants green, and it's also the way that we test for phytoplankton in the water. I thought that this was an interesting addition to my project because phytoplankton is the basis of the marine food chain, and it also can be affected significantly by temperature change. So I figured that if I delve into how phytoplankton can be affected by temperature change, it would give the audience and the people here at SoundWaters a nice insight into how phytoplankton in our local environment can be affected by temperature change. So the data showed that there hasn't really been a significant temperature increase or decrease. This is something that I've found for the past 2 years with my longitudinal study, and it was an expected result. I did, however, see a slight increase in temperature closer to the harbor in one of the sites we took data from. However, because I only have 3 years worth of data points, I can't really make any wide conclusions. And like years prior, my main conclusion for this addition to my longitudinal study is that we need more data. And I would like to continue collecting data for SoundWaters because I would hope that my study can help future SRI students